Good morning to all of you. This is the last chapter of our syllabus for the first term examination, chapter number 5, the internet. We all know about internet. Internet is a cost-effective global communication system. Means here we connect all the computing devices like mobile phones, computers, laptops, PCs all over the world. For communication, they use standard internet protocol called TCP, Transmission Control Protocol, or IP, Internet Protocol. So they have a rule by which they send or receive data. They are linking billions of computers, electronic devices all over the world. We usually use three types of wire for this connection all over the world. We either use copper wire, fiber optic cables, or we use wireless connection. We have one more type of wire called coaxial cable. So three types of wires are there: copper wire, fiber optic cables, and we have coaxial cable. And we use so many types of wireless connections also. For example, we use Wi-Fi connection, we use infrared, we use other types of satellite based communication system also. So these are types of the wire. This is a fiber based cable mostly used in creating LAN, local area network. Nowadays mostly used in creating internet connection also. This is the coaxial cable, and this is the last one. This is the copper wire. What are the uses of internet? Applications of internet. We can search information on various topics. We can watch films and shows online on YouTube, Netflix, Amazon Prime. We can play online games. We can send and receive emails and messages, instant messages also, on various platforms like WhatsApp, Facebook Messenger. We can buy or sell anything anytime without going anywhere. This is known as online shopping. OLX provides the platform for selling and buying the products. And for buying the products only, we have Flipkart, we have Amazon, we have Mintra. We can pay our bills and make money transactions online also, called online banking. We can find material, text material for reading, studying any topic. It is called e-learning. We can talk to people sitting at different locations through video conferencing or chatting in real time. In real time, it is called instant messaging, IM. Some commonly used internet terms are World Wide Web, WWW. Actually, it is a set of protocols, rules, and regulations about how the web pages will be created. All over the world, we have the same rules and regulations about creation of web page. In India, if we are using HTML tags to create the web page, so in US also they are doing the same thing. So all over the world, we have the same set of rules and regulations for creation of web pages, for showing the contents online. So this way, uh, it becomes very easy for getting information from any place all over the world. So it is actually a collection of huge number of web pages which are connected together. Rules and regulations, protocols about how to create the web pages, everything is part of World Wide Web, commonly called web. The web is actually a part of internet. Internet is actually the connection all over the world of all the devices, billions of computing devices is called internet. And web or World Wide Web is actually a part of internet. Web browser. We know that World Wide Web is a set of rules and protocols about how the web pages will be created. So every browser that is used to browse the internet, means browse the World Wide Web, for getting the web pages, knows that every web page is created using HTML tags, CSS and JavaScript. So getting information from these computers called servers become easy. So web browser is an application, an app, a software that is used to open and browse the internet. Means browse the web pages, websites. There are so many web browsers. Most popular are Mozilla Firefox, Opera, Safari, Google Chrome, and Internet Explorer. Now we have a new version of Internet Explorer called Microsoft Edge. Hyperlink. All the web pages are connected in a website through hyperlink. So it is actually a link of web pages. When you will place your mouse cursor on any link, hover your mouse cursor on any link, it will become like a hand. By clicking on it, you may directly access the web page or website. So when you will click on any link, it will directly open the website or web page in the web browser. Without opening the web browser and typing the web address, directly it will take the web address. No need to open the web browser and type. A hyperlink always has an underline. So you can easily identify a hyperlink by the underline. Web page. It is actually an electronic document. This document is created using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. So for the World Wide Web, we create web pages, a single web page that is displayed in a web browser. Now multiple web pages combined together create a website. So a website may have a few or large number of web pages. A single page created using HTML, CSS and JavaScript is called web page, and multiple web pages are combined together through hyperlink, that is called a website. A web page displays the related information in HTML language, hypertext markup language. Now this HTML page or web page can be having any type of information. This information can be in the form of text, pictures also we can include video, we can include other things like audio also. Home page. Every website has a main page to display its contents. This main page is called home page. It is the first page which opens when we open a website. For example, this is the home page of Nazrat Academy's official website. So when you open the website of Nazrat Academy, the first page that will come will be this one, and it will have connection to all the other web pages which are there in the website. It is called a home page. Website. Multiple web pages combined together create a website. For example, you can see this is the website of Nazrat Academy. The first page that will come will be home page, and then we will click on multiple links, hyperlink. You can see these links are underlined because these are hyperlink. When you will click on any hyperlink, it will take you to another web page. So all of these web pages are connected together. Multiple web pages connected together create a website. It is a collection of related web pages on the internet. Every website has its own unique address. For example, google.co.in is a unique address called URL, Uniform Resource Locator. For example, this is also a website, nazratgaya.org, having a unique address. So every website is having a unique address. When you move from one website to another, it is called net surfing. Suppose I opened google.co.in and then I opened the browser again, and then I opened another website, nazratgaya.org. So that will be called net surfing. Browsing multiple websites is called net surfing. Electronic mail, also called email. It is a communication system, means a way to communicate online that sends and receives messages via internet by using specific email address. Email addresses are also called email ID. So by using email, we can send and receive electronic messages. It identifies the receiver with an address. So every receiver or every sender has a unique address called email ID that is similar to the postal mailing system where every person has a different address for sending or receiving physical mail. Free email facility is also provided on many websites. Email is managed by mail server. For managing email, we have a different type of server called mail server. For example, Gmail is a mail server, Yahoo Mail, Outlook, Rediff Mail. These are only used for sending or receiving email. Any kind of information, for example, text information, music files, video files, images, you can send and receive through email. So there is no any restriction of whatever type of file you want to send. You can send any type of file as attachment. It stores mails in the inbox folder and allows you to read them at any time, any place, any location if you have internet connection. For example, an email ID will have a username at the rate then domain name. For example, here XYZ is the username, at the rate sign will always come, and then we have gmail.com. Here is the domain name, means the server name, the server which is hosting the email. Advantages of email. We are nowadays using email more than the traditional mailing system because there are many advantages of email over that old traditional mailing system. We can send and receive email very fast from anywhere in the world. It is an economical and effective mode of communication, less costly and very effective. Means in postal mailing system, the mails can sometime vanish, but here we don't have any problem. Any types of files and attachments you can send or receive through email. There is no any restriction. There are negligible chances of the message being lost. Messages are not lost because there is a regular system of maintenance. One more thing, email, when you log into email facilities of Gmail, Yahoo Mail, Outlook, they give you additional services also. For example, calendar you can attach with your Gmail, address book, you can do instant messaging also on Gtalk in Gmail using the email ID. It can also be used as a medium to access other web services. For example, if you want to sign up for an account in Twitter, or you want to order products from Flipkart, you need an email address so that you can be safely identified and contacted. So your OTP will come on the email ID, your link to create the profile on Twitter, profile on Flipkart will come on that email ID. It ensures your privacy also because your emails are delivered to your own personal and private account. For example, in physical mailing system, it is not private. If you are not at home, then someone else will get the packet. But here, your own personal and private account is only used to get the email, and it requires a password to access and view the mail, so no one else can open that email. You can even send the same email to multiple people at the same time, whereas in traditional mailing system, you cannot do this. To receive an email, you do not need to be physically present at your home also, whereas in traditional mailing system, you need to be at home or someone else, your relative should be at home. You can check your emails anywhere from any computer or mobile device that is having an internet connection. How to create an email account and how to sign in to your email account. How to create an email account, you all know about this. How to create an email account and how to sign in to your email account by clicking on sign in. For creating the email account, you need to create an account using sign up. Sending an email. If you want to send an email, you have to click on the compose button to create the email. When you will click on the compose button, then there will be a column that will come. These columns you have to fill. 2. In 2, you have to write the email address of the recipient who is going to receive the email that you are sending. CC stands for carbon copy. Email address of the number of people you want to send a copy of this email. For example, I have to send one email to 10 people. So in carbon copy, I will write the email address of all of these people. 2 allows us only one single, but nowadays 2 allows us multiples also. So CC carbon copy, but there is one problem. Suppose I have sent the email to 10 people. So the email addresses will be shown in all the email. Means a single person is knowing who are the other 9 people who are getting this email. So there's a problem of privacy. If I don't want to show other people who is the other person who is getting the email, then we should go for BCC, blind carbon copy. So if we want to keep somebody invisible from other participants, other recipients, then their email address will be typed in BCC. This is very similar to CC, but here we actually make the email addresses invisible. Subject, the main idea or purpose behind sending the email. It should be clear. Attaching files to an email. Any file, Word file, Excel file, PowerPoint file, audio, video, anything you can send with an email as attachment. But there is a limit. You cannot send more than 25 MB or you cannot attach more than 50 files. If small files are there, then also you cannot go beyond 50 in an email. How to read an email? All the emails, incoming emails, come in the inbox folder. Unread emails appear in bold and read emails appear in normal text with the shaded background. It means you have read the email. If the emails have not been read, they will appear in bold. We can delete any unwanted mail by selecting the email and then clicking the delete button at the top. These deleted emails are not deleted permanently. They will move to the trash folder. This is actually like a recycle bin in our computer system where when we delete something, it goes to recycle bin. So in email, when you delete something, it goes to the trash. If we delete email from this folder, trash, it will get deleted forever. If we have composed a message by clicking on compose button, but have not sent the email yet, then it will be temporarily saved in the draft folder. So you can, suppose you are typing an email and you don't want to send right now, you can save it in draft. It will automatically get saved in draft. One more folder we are having is spam folder. It contains those advertisement messages which are unnecessary, spam messages that were automatically identified by our email server as spam. Downloading an attachment, we just saw that if you want to create an email, you have to click on compose. It will open this new message, and here you have recipients, subject, and then the main matter, and here you can attach the file. Clicking on it will make you attach the file. If you have attached the file, then someone who will get the file or email will get this type of message. This is the message and this is the attachment. So if we see the attachment symbol on the mail, this is the symbol of attachment, then it means that the sender has attached a file with it. We can save a copy of that attached file by clicking on the download option. This is the download option. Using it, we can download the attachment. Before downloading any attachment, you need to be sure that the attachment is from a reliable source, otherwise it can be a virus also. You should not be downloading any attachment from spam messages. They can have virus. Replying and forwarding. If you have got email from someone, you can directly reply. Suppose I have got email from abc@gmail.com. Then for replying, I do not need to click on compose and then compose the mail for them. I can directly reply to an email by clicking on reply option. So you do not need to enter the subject and email address of the sender. It will automatically get selected. If there are multiple recipients of the message, and you want to respond to all of them, then you can click on reply to all. If you want to forward the same email that you have got to someone else, same message you want to forward, then you can go for forward option. Signing out of your email, when you have signed in, then you were able to use all of these features: inbox, compose, spam folders, and reply and forward option. It means you are moving out of your email account by signing out. You should always sign out of your account to prevent any kind of misuse, especially when you are on a shared computer where other people can also come and use the computer. For example, in a school library, for example, in cyber cafes, you need to sign out. Otherwise, someone else will come and he or she can use your account. Some tips: do not share your password and credit card number through email. When you are sending email, don't send passwords and credit card number because emails are not secure, that much secure. Do not open or reply spam. Spams you should not open also. Sometimes when you open spam, these spams contain virus and these viruses get automatically downloaded. So whenever you get any spam, directly delete them. Only access authenticated email messages from those users whom you know. Do not open attachment from unauthenticated or unknown sources. Even if they don't come in spam, they come in your inbox and the message is from unauthorized person, unknown person, unauthenticated person, then don't open those attachment. Don't download them because they may contain virus. While you are sending an email to a group of people who do not know each other, then you should use the BCC line to protect everybody's identity. Don't go for CC, go for BCC. Social networking through social media sites. Nowadays, it is very popular. These online communities let people come together, communicate, and share things, share photos, share videos, share their projects. These online communities are commonly called social networking or social media sites. For example, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, WhatsApp. WhatsApp is also instant messenger. These sites are now a very great fun for people. You can create accounts on these sites using your email ID. People can see each other, they can talk through web camera, and with the microphone they can talk with each other using voice. They can chat or they can do instant messages, means at the same time. Blogs. Blog is a website in which you post multiple articles regularly. Suppose you want to write essays, you usually write essays. So you can post these essays online and these are displayed in reverse sequential order. So your first entry will come downward, next entry will be in the front. So what, suppose you have posted 10 articles, then the last one article that you have posted, the recent one will appear at the front first line, others will go backward. A blog entry can have text, you can put hypertext, you can put images, links, audio, video, whatever you want. A blog mainly focuses on your area of interest that you like. So mainly we create blog of those things which we like. There are so many blogs of celebrities, media person, Bollywood stars. They actually discuss their experiences, their conditions with their fans through these blogs. Authoring, maintaining or adding article on an existing blog is known as blogging. Facebook is also a blogging website, but also a social media platform or social media website. Here users can share status, they can put something, what they are doing, they can update, they can put picture, video and web content and they can share these things with their friends. It was created by Mark Zuckerberg in the year 2004 when he was still studying at the prestigious Harvard University. You need to be a registered member. You have to register an account with an email ID if you want to use Facebook. Common interest group can also be created by the users. For example, there are so many groups You can either join the group or you can create your own group. People will join and you can have conversation with them. Many companies also have formed their own web pages on Facebook so that they can connect and communicate with their clients and customers. Twitter is also a blogging platform. It is a micro blogging platform where you can write small blogs, mean less characters. It's a free social networking website where users can post small character messages known as tweet, visible to their followers. It is used by many celebrities and personalities. Even governments are also using it to interact with the people. Character length of tweet is up to 10,000 characters. Now, previously it was only 140. WhatsApp is also a social media platform as well as instant messenger. It is a freeware, you can freely download it and use it. It's a cross-platform messaging application, means you can use it on Android also, you can use it on iOS also, and Windows Phone also. It is also a VoIP service. You can have voice chat also, voice over internet protocol. You can have voice call also. It is owned by Facebook now. This application allows you to send messages, voice call, video call, images, documents, everything. It runs from a mobile device, but you can also access it from computers. Previously, users only communicate with others individually or in group. But now in 2017, WhatsApp announced a business platform that will enable the companies to provide customer service to users at large scale. So now we have companies which can connect to their customers through WhatsApp only. YouTube is a very popular online video sharing platform that offers a wide variety of user generated and corporate media videos. Here you will see user generated videos also. You can also create your own video, and there are some videos from big companies also. It allows users to view video, upload their own video content, share videos and comment on the videos, and they can subscribe to the video sharing platform users also. Digital India is a policy launched on 1st of July 2015 by Prime Minister Narendra Modi. It includes plans to connect rural areas with high speed internet. Means they want to have high speed 100 Mbps connection in gram villages. It consists of three core components. The government wants to have digital infrastructure as a utility to every citizen, means every citizen should have access to digital infrastructure. Governments and services on demand. Whatever governance services they need from the government, it should be on demand directly through internet. And this will digitally empower the citizens for getting information for doing their work. For example, previously, if you want to create anything, suppose Aadhaar card, and you have to go for Avasiye Praman Patra, Aay Praman Patra, then you have to go to the block office and then you have to submit the application physically there. Now, because of this, you can easily send your application through internet and you can get it within the prescribed time. This is the logo of Digital India, a flagship program by then Prime Minister, current Prime Minister also, Narendra Modi. So now we have completed our chapter